After 4 years of inflows into the equity mutual fund segment, July 2020 saw net outflows. This was not a surprise as most of the retail investors who came in post demonetization have mostly seen only negative returns in their investments. Combined to that, a steep fall in the markets due to COVID pandemic made them scary. Most of them were holding on to their breaths, and fortunately for them, the sharp bounce back post March 20 bottoms, where the markets are presently close to its previous peak, happened to be a boon. All those fearing investors were bound to move out now. Sad part is that most of them will exit at a loss. After having invested for about 2 to 3 years, going out with a loss is even more pain. This challenge happens because of not having an objective for what we are investing and not having belief as well as patience to help the investment have its growth. Equity is an investment class which grows due to demand and supply. For various reasons, our markets, which had a dream run in 2017, had a breather, had huge supply of stocks. This was due to profit-taking exits of prior investors and funds. And unfortunately, that breather got prolonged, to which COVID added more fuel. Like after every nightfall, there is a sunrise. Even for markets, there is a sure upside after the down phase. The duration of each phase does not remain same. At times, down phase gets over soon and up phase is prolonged with very big gains, and at times it is opposite. One more beautiful occurrence is that when one of the phases gets prolonged, the next opposite will have a steep move. In that manner, our markets had a prolonged down phase now. The next upside is going to be very steep. It is unfortunate that all those new investors who came with big expectations are missing that very big move in our market because of their impatience. Stock markets are not for every investor. It requires patience, confidence on the economy, and most important, the belief that his or her money will grow. In our markets, all the new entrants have come with a fear of losing, and that is what they have got in return for their investments. Those who came with confidence that their country will be growing, have an objective to have whatever returns they want to, and a strong belief that their money will grow, are going to reap rich rewards from the next very big bull run that India is going to have. Enjoy the ride.